Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing well and you guys are staying safe and maintaining social distance during this lockdown time period. So today the video that I've brought is about hair care because due to lockdown we are not being able to take care of our hair by professionals. So these are some simple hacks, not at all time consuming, and if you're also having problems like split ends and all, so do check this out. You do not need to be a professional for you to try this hack. And also this video is in collaboration with Foxy, a new platform that connects savvy shoppers and beauty influencers and various makeup artists. So do check this app out, it's damn cool. I will be providing the link below. So without any further delay, let's just begin with the video. For the first step, wash your hair with the L'Oreal hair spa to make it smooth and manageable before starting any kind of grooming session. So for the first step, you will require a hairbrush. So just brush your hair and get rid of all the tangles. In the next step, you need to section your hair. Now the sectioning depends upon your hair width, like how many sections you need. So I will just require 4 sections and I will keep on making the sections as I keep on trimming my hair for the split ends. So over here I'm taking the first section of my hair and I'm just twisting it from top to bottom. So once I have finished that, you can see that there are like these small hairs sticking out. So those are the split ends that I need to cut. Now you do not require any kind of special scissors. I'm just using the basic scissors that I have at my home because you're just cutting the lower ends and the hair that is sticking out. So you can do those and there will be plenty once you twist it. So just you can keep on cutting, and that's what I will be repeating in all the other sections. So in the next step, I will be taking my front fringes and I will be giving them a bit of shape because they have grown a lot and they have gone out of shape. So I will just be doing that. So here's the tricky part. So if your fringes lie on the right side, when you're giving it the shape, you have to take them on the left side and then give the cut so that when you leave it again, it will fall perfectly on your right side again. So this is how it is, what I'm doing, and do cut it from beneath so that it doesn't give like a same plateau shape and it looks like fringes. And as you can see, I am putting like a lot of cut over here to give it like a more proper fringe shape. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope that these hair hacks have helped you out. And also the products that I have used are also available in the Foxy app. Thank you.